Back in Texas, y'all. So y'all know what time it is. About to get it grooving and moving. You know what I'm talking about? For real. But yeah, man. Y'all for right now. About to try to get about this jump fast as I can. Get back in the streets of Texas. You did. Y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, alright? So y'all back on, I get in the ride. Well. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy JJ Boss. I'm back on this thing, man. Well, I'm back in my hometown, man. Back in my hometown. I know y'all see the city still draped up and dripped out. But yeah, man, eventually, when I get time, all this crap will be fixed. All of it. I'm talking about everything. But yeah, man, I've been running the bag up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. That's why I kind of been off the camera. I ain't really picking up like talking about, but try to get back in my motion, try to get back in the swing of things, pick this camera back up, man, and, you know, give y'all some footage, because, you know, I mean, you know, the camera shoot my lifetime is you know, it's good, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all some good little vlogs or whatever. If you're this part of the video, subscribe, like, hit the notification, that way you know when I post my videos. You dig. Currently, right now, what I'm doing is going by the little car lot or whatever, go check out my old school to say they want to follow. I ain't really did nothing to it either. Like I say, I've been gone. I've been in Phoenix, been grinding, trying to run that bag up, man. Trying to run it up so I can do some things. You feel me? Yeah. I mean, you know, even though I got business, man, I still got to make my next move my best move. You know, so I got to keep on grinding on some other stuff. So I can't just be so content with what I got going on right now. So I'm looking for more and better. It's all about creating a better you. You dig? For real. So, man, y'all stay tuned to your boy channel, man. Watch me, you know, give me a thumbs up, a like, comment, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna get going, man. And see, when y'all give me comments or whatever, that's like my motivation to keep on going. So, you know, hey, say something on the channel, man. Say something. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, I'm finna go to the light, check out the car, and I'll turn y'all back on in a minute. All right? Well. What it do, YouTube? I'm back on this thing, man. Man, I will say, boy, I know in Arizona it's hot, but nigga, Texas is hot to the SOB. Golly. For real, it is hot. Oh, goddamn. Turn that down, I'm tripping. Radio playing, I'm talking running my mind. But anyway, yeah, man, I've been moving around a little bit, sweating my behind, though. You know, I miss home, but I don't miss home, because, you know, you got the humidity out here, man. Oh, so you can move around out there in Arizona, you don't sweat that much. But out here, you ain't got no AC, man, you will melt. You dig? You will melt. Definitely will melt. But yeah, man, I'm gonna move around right quick. Ain't too much going on, but you know, tomorrow it's gonna get real. It's gonna get real, man. Gonna slide by the car show tomorrow, man. Hopefully I can run into some other YouTubers out there, man, you know, and we collab a little bit, probably do a little something, whatever, you know, it's gonna be a good day, man. Straight like that. For real. But yeah, man, y'all just keep rocking with your boy, man. I'm trying to get back in my groove, man. I've been out the motion, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to get back in my groove, man. I got to get back in my groove. It's a must. It's a must that I get back in my groove, man. But yeah, man, as far as the car report, yeah, I gotta reach out to the guy that's supposed to be respraying it. It's been kind of hard to get in touch with him when I come back in town, and I'll be in town for a little bit, so I'm gonna try to reach out to him, and so I can get my car to him. If I get my car to him, it'd be good. You know what I'm saying? Go and bring it, drop it off, leave it there, and hopefully he can get to it and go and do what he do with it. My 71 Impala, I gotta get it and move it and get some things going with it too, because it's been out of motion too as well. And plus, like for my G-Body, I want to take that off the trailer. It's sitting on that trailer still. But yeah, that's just what I got right now, man. Gotta move some wheels around and get some other cars lined up, and that's about it right now. So yeah, man, that's about it, man. But look, I'll turn y'all back on when I get some action or something. Some rides rolling through the city or something like that. I'll get back with y'all. Yes, sir.